Hello everyone, my name is Nafisa Nazneen Choudhury. I am a civil engineering student of Assam Engineering College. I live in Assam, India. Few days back I published a paper, Bamboo as a Building Material in Northeast of India, in Volume 9 Issue 6 June 2020 in International Journal of Science and Research. The paper ID is SR 206151 Today I am going to give an e-presentation on this topic. Starting from abstract. Bamboo has always been considered a weak building material to be used in construction because we use steel of grades such as Fe250, Fe415 and Fe500. But with the advancement of technology, it has been possible to use bamboo resources keeping certain impacts properties in mind. Northeast of India has abundant of bamboo resources. Northeastern states like Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, etc. have abundant of bamboo resources which leads to employment opportunities, industry setups and growth of economy. Also, it is more effective since it is low cost and safe for earthquake prone areas, since a northeastern part of India is in zone 5 as per Indian Standard Code of 1893 part 1 2016. So with its productive use, India can lead in economy and subsequently adopt eco-friendly measures to adopt a greener environment. Coming to introduction. The northeastern region, a landmass of 8 states, spreads over an area of 2,62,179 km square, which represents about 8% of the total geographical area of the country. India, with a population of about 39.04 million, is a region which is abundant in bamboo resources. The region houses about two-thirds of the bamboo resources of India, spreading over an area of about 3.10 million hectares, where 89 species of bamboos are available. The main center for technological input in respect of bamboo is located at Guwahati, and it is named as Cane and Bamboo Technology Center. Other industries such as bamboo wood, a factory has been set up in Jagi Road. ACES BioWealth Private Limited has been set up. According to it, bamboo has the capability of being water resistant for about 100 years. Coming to positive impact. Modulus of elasticity of bamboo is in the range of 1.5 to 2 into 10 to the power 5 kg per centimeter square, while that of mild steel is 2.1 into 10 to the power 6 kg per centimeter square, thus making it suitable for reinforcement if used after certain treatments. Certain treatments like natural and non-natural are there. So, in case of natural, high steam temperature can be used. Method is one of the effective method, and chemical one like borax salts treatment is there. Modulus of rupture of bamboo exceeds the corresponding SAL value by 131.38%. SAL is used in door frames, wooden beams, etc. So, in place of SAL, bamboo can be used. Safe working stress in compression of bamboo is 105 kg per centimeter square, and the allowable compressive stress value has decreased by 20%. It can withstand up to 3656 kg per centimeter square of pressure, whereas mild steel has pressure of about 2547.5 kg per centimeter square. So bamboo has even more than mild steel. There is a high silica content, silica acid, which makes bamboo fire resistance. One of the fire resistance in case of bamboo category is Mediterranean cypress. Safe working stress in tension of bamboo is 160 to 350 kg per centimeter square. It is 3 times cheaper than steel reinforcement technique and has similar reinforcing design like steel reinforcement. Internodal sections of bamboo is stronger than steel. The strength is about 582 megapascal, whereas steel has about 350 megapascal. Here is data charted from Jensen. We can see the comparison of strength and stiffness. The light green bar charts are strength by density per volume, and the dark green are stiffness by density per volume. We can see the steel and bamboo in case of strength by density per volume have not much difference, while in case of stiffness by density per volume, bamboo exceeds steel. So it is undoubtedly the most effective if used in reinforcements. Negative impacts. Despite of having positive impacts, we must also look at the negative impacts for more improvement. Bamboo is weak at node section, so failure can occur. Bamboo is highly anisotropic material having a strong fiber orientation, but in the vicinity of modes, the fiber diverges from the longitudinal orientations. It has low modulus of elasticity. In flexural members, some cracks are developed. In flexural members like slab and beam, if bamboo is used, some cracks may be developed. When concrete mixed proportion technique is used for reinforcement, excess water causes swelling of bamboo. In such cases, high early strength cement is preferred to minimize cracks caused by swelling of bamboo when seasoned bamboo cannot be waterproofed. When using the whole combs, the top and bottom of the stems has to be placed in alternative positions where in every row, and the nodes or collars should be staggered, otherwise it will lead to non-uniform cross-section of the bamboo throughout the length of the member. We should avoid cutting bamboo in early spring or early summer. These combs are generally weaker due to increased fiber moisture content. Harvesting of bamboo at the end of rainy season or at the beginning of dry season is preferred when the starch content is lower. I would like to conclude my presentation with the following points. Apart from having negative impact, it is more advantageous in earthquake prone areas like northeast, as the bamboo material is light in weight. Apart from other countries also like Japan, which is highly earthquake prone area, it can be used effectively. It will also lead to creation of employment opportunities, especially for the rural people. So more employment opportunities can be created for them. It also needs to be noted that bamboo is grown and used in almost all Southeast Asian countries. Southeast Asian countries like Indonesia, Singapore, Philippines, Malaysia, etc. China in the present day world has come out with many advanced technologies and different uses of bamboo. China has always the highest availability of bamboo in the world, and India comes next to China because China has grown timber crops in mountainous region. Output production of more than 1 million tons of bamboo paper and bamboo pulp production capacity of 4 million tons is happening in China. With this, I would like to end my presentation, and I hope with my paper research article I am contributing a little bit to the society. Thank you.